Now here you can see a fully welded chassis. This is probably a first floor chassis because we have a triple column here on the outside of the corners. And here we have a gusset plate, corner plate, and here is the infamous vector block. Bolting holes threaded for connection, and you can see where the HSS comes into the vector block. It's then welded off right there. So this is a 8-inch vector block for the bottom flanges, and you'll see at the top another 90-degree smaller vector block for the top corners. Where also modules come in T, there's vector blocks for that can be added. One thing to be noted here is all of the plumbing stacks are routed through the chassis. Some of them are actually cut out, plasma cutting, so they can route the plumbing. But then sometimes we turn the joist 90 degrees to actually get our drop. So all the plumbing runs underneath the chassis.